Imagine a world without electricity, without internet, without communication. A world plunged into darkness and chaos by a powerful force from the sun. This is not a science fiction scenario. This is what happened in 1859, when the Earth was hit by the most intense solar storm in recorded history. The Carrington Event. The Carrington Event was caused by a massive eruption of plasma from the Sun's corona, known as a coronal mass ejection or CME. It traveled at a speed of over 2,000 kilometers per second, reaching the Earth in less than 18 hours. The CME collided with the Earth's magnetic field, creating a geomagnetic storm that disturbed the atmosphere and the electric currents on the ground. The effects of the Carrington Event were spectacular and devastating. People around the world witnessed bright auroras that lit up the night sky. Telegraph systems malfunctioned, sending sparks and shocks to operators and setting papers on fire. Some telegraph lines continued to work even after being disconnected from their batteries. The geomagnetic storm also disrupted compasses, clocks, and navigation systems. If a solar storm like the Carrington Event happened today, it would cause much more damage and disruption to our modern society. Our dependence on technology makes us vulnerable to the effects of space weather. A severe solar storm could knock out satellites, power grids, communication networks, and electronic devices. It could also endanger astronauts and aircraft passengers. The economic and social costs of such a scenario could be enormous. Scientists are constantly monitoring the sun's activity and predicting its behavior. They use sophisticated instruments on Earth and in space to observe and measure the sun's magnetic field, sunspots, flares, and CMEs. They also develop models and simulations to forecast the impact of solar storms on the Earth's environment and infrastructure. They issue alerts and warnings to governments, industries, and the public when a solar storm is imminent or underway. The Carrington Event was a wake-up call for humanity. It showed us how vulnerable we are to the forces of nature that shape our planet and our lives. It also showed us how beautiful and fascinating our star is, and how much we can learn from it.